Maze, literal meaning is a puzzle. You don't know where you are going ahead with. The journey towards the unknown. In music and in any movie you see, whether it's a thriller, whether it's a horror, you will feel certain emotion. A journey of discovery, a journey of human quest. Can architecture provide the same journey? In this home, wherever you start your journey, you will find something or the other thing where it will directly start talking with you. I'm Tarun Patel. I'm from Mesa Architects. The client brief was very simple. So he said, Tarun, we only want 5-bedroom bungalow, nothing else. Before designing any project, we ask ourselves so many questions. As Louis Kahn said, question is more important than the most brilliant answer. What this space will offer? How can we instill a perpetual sense of celebration, utsav? How can we instill a soul into this space? The site is located in outskirts of Ahmedabad. Ahmedabad is a Makkah Madinah for architecture. Who's of who have worked here, ranging from Louis I. Kahn, Tuli Corbusier, Guru Balkrishna Doshi, Charles Correa. So they have extensively worked in this city. We thought, what exactly we are offering to such city. How can we design something which is enrooted in our culture, but it has to speak for its time? So ground floor is nothing but a public area. It is based on the Vastu principle. So we have, entrance from the northeast area. Once you start your journey, you will directly arrive at this courtyard. On the left-hand side, we have the large puja room based on principle of Vastu. The client suggested, we want ground floor needs to be completely open. So when there is a bhajan kirtan or bhakti sangeet which is happening, you just need to remove the slider. There is this amphitheater sorts of steps. You will arrive at the mid-level of ramp which will take you to the upper floor. If you are not guided, you will find yourself where you have started. There is a ramp which we have designed. This ramp will take you at the mid-level landing. Again, if you take a mid-turn, you will find yourself arrived at the ground floor. On the mid-level landing, we have the pause point which we have created intentionally. It's a playful arrangement of places. You will see there is big, almost 1.5 times height door. Going up from this ramp, there will be a porch or a vestibule area. And suddenly you will arrive at this double height gigantic door, which takes you to this double height corridor. You will feel nothingness because it's dark and double height. Visit any temple place, there is this temple parishar, then there is a mandapa and a garbhagriha. The light becomes darker and darker so that your senses are heightened. So such stories can be inculcated in this house. As if you are teleported to a different dimension. This is where the actual transition is happening. This is where you are coming from outside to inside. And you have forgotten the frames which you have already seen on the ground floor. But here when you are at the entrance point, again it will remind you that you are a part of a larger space, that these are the two main courtyard. And when you start your journey from here, if you use this corridor, you will arrive at the masgar. Because it is a multi-generation house, all the rooms are connected with this masgar. From this masgar, suddenly you will see this double height living room. Instead of casting a slab, we have this concrete vault. which is not visible from outside. So it is an unpredictable journey from whomsoever is visiting. We have created fun element. We have an extruded balcony here as if you are connected with the upper floor. Inside the house, we don't have a full wall. We have this fenestration, we have louvers window. So the idea behind this is, everyone is, overlooking towards each other and you'll feel connected with each other. This part of house leads you to the external balcony which we have designed, where the actual cool breeze start for the entire house. We have this kitchen and dining. There are steps which we have designed. If you are getting out from the steps, which is a blue door, you will find yourself at mid-landing level. So from this mid-landing, if you don't know where to head, you have to start your journey again. Staircase is again a mystery. So when we are moving at the second floor through this staircase, you don't know where exactly you are heading towards. Everywhere we try to create that journey to the unknown. Ground floor is public, first floor is semi-public, and second floor is a private. On the second floor we have Masgar, we have bedroom 1, bedroom 2 and bedroom 3. We wanted to increase the bedroom ka size, so we have taken all the circulation inside the room. Here we have circulation space, and on the second floor it is actually coming out, taking all the circulation inside the room. The central courtyard, we kept it porous through this recycled wood fenestration. For the floor, we have extensively used multicolor cotta. We have used them in a tactile manner. Passage area, you will find leather finish. In functional area, you will find a polished cotta. It actually connects with your different senses. This 4 corner we are left with. So those 4 corner will have all the services like drainage pipe, rainwater harvesting. We chamfered it little bit so to create some sort of a nuances there. We stick to the honesty of material. We don't want to hide the material. Climate like ours, brick is a porous thing which will maintain the temperature. For the brick also, we find it little difficult because one brick is costing 40 rupees. Exposed linear which we have used in living room. So client suggests, can we use different material? Here we have used 4 types of different bricks. We have a brick which is ranging from 2 feet to 2 inch, from 4 inch to 8 inch, from 9 inch to 3.5 inch. And the other is a normal which is 9 inch by 3 inch by 4.5. So now the problem here is all the bricks we have used, those are different of dimension. When you start doing masonry, it won't survive. So we have actually designed our own masonry bond. While there is a 2 inch ka brick which is coming in a stretcher bond, we placed a vertical joint here. And that's how this 4 inch ka brick meets 2.5 inch ka brick. Sometime also we play with the bond and masonry. We have created our own swastik bond.
We had to incorporate these details and we had to convey these details to the contractor, and we had to stand at site and put a brick one by one and show them how it is to be done.
For the furniture, we have procured the recycled wood. Whatever furniture you are seeing, it is being customized. So you will find brick everywhere but in a different manner. You will find floor everywhere but in a different pattern. You will find wood but in a different manner. Curiosity. Why it is being used in a different manner, so that you will discover something and it will bring joy on your face. As name suggests, it's a maze house. Client's daughter lives in Canada. Uncle doesn't know that we have invited her. The whole drama unfold here, and client is so happy with the way in which we have handed over this house. Whatever we have envisaged, we have hopefully achieved in this particular place. That reminds me the statement which my guru said to me. So those words are still there in my mind, and whenever we are doing any project, it still mesmerizes us. It gives us the goosebump because I feel his presence here. તરુણ ક્યાંક જવાનું લેટ થતું હોય અને તો પણ એમ થાય કે આ જગ્યાએ રહીએ અને બીજી દુનિયા ભૂલાઈ જાય, તો તમે લોકોએ કંઈક ડિઝાઇન કર્યું છે, કારણ કે તો જ તમે દુનિયા ભૂલી શકો એવું કંઈક ડિઝાઇન થયું હોય. ધીસ ઇઝ વોટ વી ટ્રાય ટુ ડુ.